So only requirement of short noise is there should be a potential barrier. So if there's any device having potential barrier will exhibit short noise. Okay. So short noise will only be associated with non-linear devices because suddenly there is a potential barrier. So the variation is not linear, right? So it is a non-linear device. Definitely short noise will be there, but never remember that if there is a short noise, I cannot call the device to be non-linear. So all non-linear devices will have short noise, but all devices having short noise will not be non-linear. Okay, in BJT, you have base current and collector current. So both are having a potential barrier there. So definitely both will give rise to what is called a short noise. In fact, if you take uh, you have the leakage gate current will only contribute to short noise because in the gate side the impedance is infinity, right? So you have a very strong potential well. So only if the electrons cross the potential well and go to the other side, you will have short noise. So in BJT, you have short noise in both base current and collector current. Definitely, emitter current IE is equal to IC plus IB will also have short noise, but in FET, only the gate leakage current will have short noise. The drain current will not have short noise because inside the conductive channel, the flow of electrons is continuous. There is no potential well to cross. So drain current will not have short noise, but the gate current is going to have short noise. Okay, so this gate current is very, very small. You know, the gate resistance is infinity, so gate current is going to be very, very small, and it is not going to contribute that much as noise for the FET. So, if you compare thermal noise, spectral density does not remain constant for infinite frequency, as we say. For thermal noise, the spectrum is white in nature. It is going to have all the frequencies inside this. This is also same thing we conclude theoretically. Short noise is also going to have a wide spectrum, but practically we see that it is not going to be constant. It is going to have some variation. Okay, so this randomness of the arrival time gives the name short to the noise. Short means it is going to occur at discrete different time intervals. That is why you call it as short noise.